What's up everyone? Today we're building a bumper. Check it out. So I really enjoy the options, the versatility of just having something bare that I can weld to in the future, or something with 3 trailer hitch mounts on it that I can put, I don't know, flag poles or hammock mounts or whatever I want on there. And so this is what I had. I had some scrap metal laying around, some spare trailer hitch tubes I picked up from IMS last time I was there, and decided to make myself a little thing. I did this part I don't know, a few months ago, and it's just kind of been hanging on the back, just bare. And this part I was able to finish up this last weekend, which was a lot of fun. I've always seen guys doing forums and stuff with these cool angles and whatnot, and I've always wanted to do it, so that's what I did this weekend. In the future, I don't know, maybe I'll tack on a hoop or something from here to, you know, guard the fender or something. Could be fun. Maybe I'll put a swing out on it, you know, spare tire swing out, a couple of gas cans, a couple of mounts for, I don't know, some molly weaving madness. I don't know. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed the bumper. I do. Frankie does. Yeah. Hit that thumbs up or subscribe or don't. I don't know. People say that. If you liked it, let me know. Bye.